इस चम्पी में बड़े बड़े गुण, लाख दुखों की एक दवा है, क्यों ना आजमाए। काहे घबराए, काहे घबराए, सर जो तेरा।
Massage involves manipulation of body with pressure, tension, motion, or vibration done manually or with mechanical aids. When we talk about the massage, a lavish mode of relaxation comes to mind. But in Pakistan, it's something else. They don't have the gadgets nor a place to be called a parlor.
आजा प्यारे पास हमारे, काहे घबराए, काहे घबराए।
Decorated spots can be seen in various parts of the city where anyone, irrespective of age and class, can have massage, more commonly known as malish. These traditional masseurs sit on the edge of a footpath or in the middle of a public park. More often, they are available in the localities which remain up until late hours. They use different kinds of oil to serve their customers in open air.
जिससे मुझे थकान उतर जाती है, जिससे मैं जो बंदा थका हुआ था, सारा दिन काम करता है, कोई दुकानदार है या कोई मिसाल है, किसी किस्म का काम करता है, वो आता है, उसके बाद वो मालिश करवाता है, उससे थकान उतार देते हैं।
गरीब आदमी जब मजदूरी नहीं मिले तो फिर मालिश ही शुरू किया। हवाई रोजी इसमें कोई तादाद पूरी नहीं है, कभी 200 300, कभी नहीं भी लगता।
These masseurs work with utmost dedication, and sometimes they dig in their job so deep they become ecstatic. Therefore, once hooked onto it, people come from far off areas to visit to their favorite masseurs. Contrary to the general perception, their clientele is not restricted to the poor or working class only. Their admirers come from the elite also.
No, we come every Friday and just take the dinner and take the malish. It is not necessary, but if you get malish, you can relax. Just only for enjoyment and get relaxed.
Most of the people say a daily massage can be an addiction, but medical experts are of the opinion that massage is the simplest and the best way to get relaxed without any side effect.
The massage is a non-invasive procedure. It's the most convenient and patient can relieve from that massage or even though with the local malishes. The main object of massage is to relieve the pain or relax the patient.
They relieve the people of their worries of the day, but in the end, they themselves pile on their own problems, mainly because of poverty and low incomes. This service goes on as a tradition in our society for generations. It is believed if these people are provided proper training and this profession is organized on professional lines, it will be big contribution to the people living in a tense atmosphere. A.H. Khanzada, Dawn News, Karachi.